Let's take a look at these examples. Again, we're supposed to perform the division by 8. We have 397 divided by 8. This is equal to 49.625. Again, you're supposed to take the fractional part of this number and multiply by 8. So I have 0.625 times 8 is equal 5. You're supposed to take the whole part of this number and divide again by 8. I have 49 divided by 8. 49 divided by 8 is equal 6.125. You're supposed to take the fractional part of this number and multiply by 8. So I have 0.125 times 8 is equal 1. Let's continue. We have this times 6 over 8. Anytime numerator is less than the denominator, you're supposed to simply copy the numerator to the side. And remember, this is your most significant digit, and this is the least significant digit. That's why I'm going to have number 6, 1, 5, base 8. So 397 base 10 is equivalent to 615 base 8. And this is the solution to my problem. Let's take a look at the next example. Again, we're supposed to perform the divisions. I have 9,783 divided by 8. This is equal 1,222.875. Again, you're supposed to take the decimal part of this number and multiply by 8. So I have 0.875 times 8, and this is equal 7. Take the whole part, 1,222 divided by 8. This is equal 152.75. Take the fractional part and multiply by 8. So I have 0.75 times 8 is equal 6. Next, take the whole part, 152 divided by 8. 152 divided by 8 is equal 19.0. Again, you're supposed to take the fractional part of the number and multiply by 8. So I have 0 times 8 is equal 0. Continue. 19 divided by 8 is equal 2.375. Again, take the decimal part of the number and multiply by 8. So I have 0.375 times 8, and this is equal 3. Again, we're supposed to keep going. 2 divided by 8. Anytime numerator is less than the denominator, you're supposed to copy the numerator to the side. That's why this is going to be 2. So this is your most significant digit, and this is the least significant digit. So I'm going to have my answer 23067 base 8. 9,783 base 10 is equivalent to 23,067 base 8. And this is the solution to my problem.